Hey guys, what's going on? I hope everyone is having a wonderful weekend. Here to tell you about a little product that we just purchased to have in our office at home. Believe it or not, I've been living here 2 years without a printer and it's been a little rough. We need to go to borrow my sister-in-law's printer half the time, but finally we got one and it's all set up. It was very, very simple to set up. This is Canon Pixma TR4520 printer. It's a wireless all-in-one, so you can print, copy, scan, fax, and it is wireless, which is amazing. You can has mobile printing from your phone, great documents, ease of use, which is a plus for me because I'm not the most tech-savvy person, and it has an efficient design. So fax, full dot matrix LCD, two-sided printing, which is great, saves paper, saves money, fully integrated auto document feeder, and all ink available in XL, 245 black XL, and 246 XL. So it's awesome that you can print photos. I don't have to keep running out to CVS every time I need to print something, which could be a hassle for sure. It's very, very simple to turn this on. You can pick if you want to have black or color ink. You can stop when you need to. And then I guess some of these things are, I still am trying to figure out the buttons. It did come with a manual to kind of show you guys how to work it. But yeah, paper loads easily in here. This is just standard 8.5 inch by 11 inch letter Staples copy paper that I'm using with this. And then here is the box so you guys can see it. Canon, your simple home office printing solution. Let's see what it says down here. Mobile device printing, auto two-sided print, auto power on and off, hybrid ink system, 8.8 black and 4.4 color. So that tells you what kind of ink to get and what size ink to get. And then this little thing here says optional ink available to XL to help save you time and money. Includes printer only, so it does not come with anything else. My cat's being nosy. She wants to see what's going on with the new toy over here. And it came with styrofoam, so all nicely packaged and everything so that it won't break. So it's Wi-Fi certified, it says Mac certified, Energy Star, PickBridge, minimum size requirements. We actually set this printer up. I guess I could set it up from my phone too, but yeah, we set it up from our computer, LG computer, desktop, and then to the laptop as well. Kind of shows you how it is set up and everything. Get the laptop set up with the printer. I love that it's all in one, so you don't have to do thank God it's not like 1990 where you have to have a fax machine and then you got to have a printer and a million different devices laying around. So it just definitely makes life easy. Okay, so yeah, I see the picture here, so I could definitely set it up from my phone, which is perfect for me. I love that it's double-sided paper too. And you can scan stuff if you need to. I feel like these days people just take a picture of whatever they need with their phone, send it, and then that's basically today's scan. But it's nice to have the option because of course scanning will always come out better. This is say smartphone and tablet printing and scanning with Canon Print Inkjet, XL ink. This is the side of the box, the serial number and all that stuff on the back. US Black, UPC. Never run out of ink. Sign up for easy replenish at Best Buy. So you could order this online and know that it's going to be protected because they have all this styrofoam and everything around it. So I love that this has a sleek design, easy to use, very simple to load. My husband set this up without even having to read the instructions, honestly, and neither of us are that tech savvy. So then you could lift this up to scan. Really, really great thing to have in the house. If you don't have a printer or an all-in-one thing, I definitely suggest you guys go ahead and get one. So guys, this was Canon Pixma all-in-one wireless office printer, copier, scanner, fax machine, wireless. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody.